Welcome to my channel. In the last video, I have discussed more details about clinical features of blood group, that is about erythroblastoses fetalis, and also coagulation of blood. What is erythroblastoses fetalis? What is the sign of erythroblastoses fetalis? What happens in case of erythroblastoses fetalis? What is the treatment against erythroblastoses fetalis? All these things. And in the last lecture, I have also discussed how coagulation of blood takes place, which elements of blood is responsible for coagulation of blood, what is fibrin mesh, all these things. But in today's video, we are going to learn another new concept of this chapter, body fluids and circulation, for class 11 biology, that is heart sound. First of all, what is heart sound? The sound that is present in our heart is called heart sound. How many types of heart sound can be? There are mainly two types of heart sound can be. Types of heart sound can be. Number one is laugh. Number one is called as laugh, and number two is called as dub. Now we are going to differentiate between laugh and dub. That is, what is laugh and what is dub. Now, laugh is considered as the first heart sound. Laugh is the first heart sound, and dub is considered as the second heart sound. That means laugh is first heart sound and dub is considered as second heart sound. Second point of laugh is that laugh is louder. Laugh is louder in nature. That means this sound is quite loud as compared to dub, while dub is dull in nature. That means this sound is quite low. Laugh is louder in nature, it is quite high sound, and dub is dull in nature. That means this is quite low sound present in human heart. Number 3 point regarding laugh sound of heart is that laugh sound is produced due to closure of tricuspid and bicuspid valve. That means closure means closure something represent close. Due to close of tricuspid and bicuspid valve of heart, laugh sound is produced. Due to closure of tricuspid and bicuspid valve of heart, laugh sound, that is the first sound of heart, is produced. Now, what is tricuspid and what is bicuspid valve? These are valve present in human heart. What is valve? Valve is used to prevent backflow of heart. It just allow to flow blood only in one direction. We will learn details about tricuspid and bicuspid valve, where it is situated, what is its function after some time. Before it, we have just learned that now that laugh sound is produced. Why? Due to closure of tricuspid and bicuspid blood. That means due to the closed of tricuspid and bicuspid valve in heart, which sound is generated? Laugh sound is generated. But dub sound is produced due to closure of semilunar valve. Due to close of semilunar valve in heart, which type of sound is produced? Dub sound is produced. Now the question is, what is semilunar valve? Semilunar valve is also one type of valve which is present at the pulmonary artery and aorta in heart. I will discuss more details about semilunar valve, tricuspid and bicuspid valve after sometimes. Before this, third points regarding lap and dap, we have learned that lap sound is produced due to closed of tricuspid and bicuspid valve in heart, and we also learned that dap sound is produced due to closure of semilunar valve present in heart. Now, what is tricuspid and bicuspid valve? What is semilunar valve? We are going to learn this. Suppose this is heart and this is the left side of heart and this is the right side of heart. Now here suppose this is heart, this is our heart, and where is heart present? Heart is present between two lungs. Suppose this is one lungs and this is another lungs, and we have two lungs, and in the gap between two lungs heart is present at mediastinum. This gap, functional gap between two lungs, is known as mediastinum, and inside this mediastinum our heart is present. Where is heart present? Heart is present in between the gap between the two lungs, that is at the mediastinum. Suppose this is our heart, this is left part of heart, left side, and this is right side of heart, and mainly we know small upper portion of heart is called atria, and lower portion is small and lower portion of heart is called ventricle, and atria present at the right side is called right atria. Atria present at the left side is called left atria. First of all, in right atria we have superior vena cava. This is superior vena cava. This is superior vena cava. What is the function of superior vena cava? Superior vena cava is the modification of blood vessels, and it carries deoxygenated blood from those organs which is above the heart, like face, brain, etc. And in right atria we also have inferior vena cava. Suppose this is inferior vena cava. What is the function of this inferior vena cava? This inferior vena cava carries deoxygenated blood from those organs which is below the heart, that means at git or lower limbs, etc. This is the all about right atria. And in right atria we also have two types of nodes. What are they? One is called SA node. This is SA node. What is SA node? A sinoatrial node. This is SA node. Where is SA node present? SA node is present at the upper portion, at the right upper portion of right atria. This is SA node, and it generates action potential. And in right atria we also have AV node. Here the lower left corner of right atria is AV node. This is all about right atria. What we have in the right atria? In the right atria we have superior vena cava, which receive deoxygenated blood from those organ which is below, which is above the heart. Now we have also have inferior vena cava. What is the function of inferior vena cava? Inferior vena cava receive deoxygenated blood from those organ which is below the heart. And in right atria we also have SA node and AV node. This is all about right atria. And in the left atria we have some pulmonary vein. These are pulmonary vein. What is the function of pulmonary vein? All the vein carries deoxygenated blood from tissue part or other parts of body to heart, but pulmonary vein has an exception. Pulmonary vein has an exception. What is the exception of pulmonary vein? Pulmonary vein carries oxygenated blood. This is the exception. Oxygenated blood from pulmonary vein enter into the left atria. Now the separation between right atria and left atria, this is called as interatrial septum. This separation between right atria and left atria is known as interatrial septum. Now the lower portion of heart, that is this portion is of heart is called ventricle, and since a ventricle present at the right side is called right ventricle and ventricle present at the left side is called left ventricle, and we have to remember that in the right ventricle pulmonary arteries arises. This is pulmonary artery, and this pulmonary arteries arises from right ventricle. Now in left ventricle we have aorta. This call is aorta. This is aorta. Aorta arises from left ventricle, and one thing we have to remember that in pulmonary artery is thin as compared to aorta, because aorta we have to provide more pressures at aorta to so that blood can move from through aorta to various parts of human body. Another things we have to remember in ventricle is that the separation between right ventricle and left ventricle, this is the separation, and this separation between right ventricle and left ventricle is known as interventricular septum. The separation between right ventricle and left ventricle is known as interventricular septum. Now valve present between right atria. Valve present between right atria and right ventricle is called tricuspid valve. This is tricuspid valve. Where is tricuspid valve is present? Tricuspid valve is present between right atria and right ventricle, and in between left atria and left ventricle we have bicuspid valve. Between left atria and left ventricle bicuspid valve is present. What is the function of tricuspid valve and bicuspid valve? Both tricuspid valve and bicuspid valve also prevent backflow of blood. They only allow to flow of blood from tricuspid valve allow to flow of blood from right atria to right ventricle, while bicuspid valve allow blood to flow from left atria to left ventricle. This is the function of pulmonary vein. This is the function of tricuspid and bicuspid valve. In the ventricular area we also have two types of fiber. One is called as Purkinje fibers. What is the Purkinje fiber? These are Purkinje fiber. This fiber is present throughout the whole ventricular area. Purkinje fiber is present, and in the ventricular wall, suppose this in the ventricular wall we have one types of fibers, and this fiber is called as bundle of fiber. This fiber is called as bundle of fiber. This is bundle of fibers. A bundle of fish. This is called as bundle of fish. And in the pulmonary artery, suppose this is pulmonary artery. This is pulmonary artery, and this is aorta. In the aorta we have semilunar valve. Here one valve is present, and this valve is called as semilunar valve. In pulmonary artery and aorta we have semilunar valve. This is semilunar valve, and this also semilunar valve, and semilunar valve. This is semilunar valve, and this is tricuspid valve. This is tricuspid valve, and this is bicuspid valve. And atrioventricular septum. This septum which separate atria from ventricle is known as atrioventricular septum. This is the septum which separate atria and ventricle, so it is called as atrioventricular septum. And interventricular septum means the separation between the two ventricles. Suppose this is the separation between two ventricles is called as interventricular septum. This is tricuspid valve, this is bicuspid valve, and these are semilunar valve. Now the first heart sound, that is LUB, LUB. First heart sound, that is called as LUB. When is LUB produced? LUB is produced due to closure of tricuspid and bicuspid valve. Due to closure of this tricuspid valve and this bicuspid valve, first heart sound, that is LUB, LUB. First heart sound, that is LUB, is produced, and it is louder in nature. Secondly, due to closure of semilunar valve, this is semilunar valve. Due to closure of this semilunar valve, second heart sound is produced, that is DUB, dub. Dub is produced, and dub is considered as the second heart sound, and it is dull in nature. It is not loud as compared to dub. Sorry, this is not loud as compared to LUB. Dub is a low sound. I think you understand better this. On this you have I think you have a first knowledge on heart sound, that is LUB and dub. What is LUB and dub, how LUB and dub is produced, what is tricuspid, bicuspid valve, what is semilunar valve, all these things. I also describe various actions of various parts of heart. Please remember this diagram for your exam. This diagram is very important to remember all the parts of human heart. This is all about heart sound. Thank you very much. Please subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon to get more updates from my channel regularly. Thank you once again.